Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Oscar. We are here at Kelley Park for day number 3, the final day. We got our booth set up right behind me. We showed up a little bit late, but hopefully we can get a good spot. There's a lot of people pulling in right now. We got 3 cars in front of us, and hopefully we can find a good spot to set up our booth. Let me go ahead and show you guys people pulling in, and I'll catch you guys inside. So this is the setup for the day. Like I said, this is my first time setting up a booth. I think it looks good. Let's go ahead and catch some cars rolling in. Amanda should be here about 8-9 o'clock. Still pretty early in the morning. Cars are not even pulling in right now. I'm gonna go ahead and drop some stuff off of my car, and then we'll walk to the front. We're opening! Alright, so they're letting all the people in right now, and this whole entire parking lot is about to get filled up by just Volkswagens. So many people waiting to get into Kelley Park.
Park, baby. Woo!
How's it going?
I know, we never had that. Usually, lately, we haven't had that either.
Last year, which only half.
So we got Amanda in the booth. She's taking care of all the sales. We got the t-shirts over here. I think we're ready to walk. So I think we're gonna go ahead and start in this corner right here, and then we'll make our way all around the show and try to get as many cars as possible.
Aquí estoy de este lado de... por donde está...
Buenos días.
Hey, hey.
They're in LA. They'll sell you the kit, but you're gonna have to find someone that's installed. Like, I don't think it's a big deal to install.
Because obviously, I don't mean a kid, right? Anyway, I dropped your car. Oh wait, that was the...
Have to make one out of any bike.
You could.
Just get a bug fender and...
That's the hardest part.
Son is an organic grower, and they've got an organic vegetable company, and he's got like 200.
I saw this at the swap meet yesterday. Guy came all the way from Las Vegas. And definitely go check out his podcast, Let's Talk Dubs. Huge shout out to this guy.
Oh, no, I know. I was trying. I'm stuck in another thing.
How far are you? Not a bit longer.
Look at that. Oh, that's
There's a couple buses that didn't have the tag in the window, and like, hope you walk right past that.
I showed it to you. I said, remember when Grandpa was telling you about the white wall tires? Yeah.
Oh, no,
sorry.
I got something. Fried something crispy on the inside, and he knows I love.
Se llaman carmaguías. Como tuyo es un virus.
As we were walking back in the parks, I was talking to the guy who brought it from Oregon. He's owned it since he was in how old is he?
7 months.
'70 was when they started the big one. Yeah. I can never keep that. And then I like.
What's up, buddy?
Aquí, ya, y luego vamos.
I like it. The people have here. Yeah, I am.
I just bring you for the smiles.
Whip. I know a face. How's it going, brother?
Thanks.
But yeah, we're back. We're quarterly, and we'd love to have you back as a subscriber. Awesome. Very rarely.
Finding good stuff?
No, I bought it at the Swami. 2001. So we siphoned the diesel out of my truck into the Bobcat. I said, oh, that looks pretty good. Then I started thinking, shit, this all yours.
Sorry about that.
Very good, brother. How much are these? Those are $6. Come on, let's go.
Yes, they did.
They always do.
I was pointing to the poor guy.
I was on a jersey.
You just came out.
I heard it, dude. I haven't been almost there.
What's up, Oscar? How you doing, man?
I'll come back around.
Hats off to you guys. Even running those cars. And then of course they're like, oh, wow. All the way back to the...
How did he get the, well, he's got his car right here. Step up. Hey, I found a photo for him on that one thing.
They let you out of the house with those white lights.
They do, man.
Ricky with a little bit of light. Hey, we got my buddy's got a
He was helping Steve out a lot.
painted.
Yeah, I wish I could.
If you like your shirt or something.
That's cool.
I'm gonna go tell him to who'd you vote?
What's that dude who lives out here? Super? This is what I'm looking at. This is
I don't know if she has either 25 or larger size long sleeve or 30. Yes, you may.
And also, I want to get a
All the way at the very end. I had
So this is one of one. I was giving Hollywood the shit from the car in '67. I go, yeah, it's almost a fat chick. He's like, screw you, man, shut up. I go, man, I'm serious. It's almost a fat chick. You almost got a fat chick. That's why I don't want a '67. So give me your born. I go, I don't care.
Little screen in the back.
Let's go. So wait.
Haven't done it forever, but man, it is.
Diggy, it's a good model. This is good. This is a giant.
Y luego este otro que está acá.
Caught one, huh? Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Look at him. Hell yeah. It's part of the gang. Nice.
I had to see black.
And this is Beetlejuice. You've seen this car multiple times in my videos.
That was easy.
Oh, you guys had to like pull my whole front end. Brandon was all.
Yeah, I think I did
You had to bring that whole front end out.
Yeah, take care. See you guys.
Is that a mini? What kind of dog is this? Is that a mini?
I painted several, but I don't know.
So that's it for this show. Hope you guys had a lot of fun. Once again, it was amazing having a booth at this show for my first time. Sorry, they're having the awards right now. And thank you for everybody that came out and supported me and bought a t-shirt. Really appreciate it. But I'm gonna go ahead and go get the car and start packing up because it's getting late and everybody's leaving. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.